Okay, here we are at the Spellbinders booth talking to Paul Antonio.
Hi.
And watching him demo.
So you see how I came up with the design, and then we scan it, and then we turn it into a plate. And then, you know, as a scribe, my intention is for people to use the designs and augment them, not just use the design.
Right.
So, you know, if you had this design, how I would use this. Is I would add to this design.
Okay.
So as you're doing that, where did you first start to scribe?
Sorry?
When did you first start to?
Oh, I started when I was 9. So let's pick Terry's name. So if I'm sending a card to Terry, I wouldn't put this on the outside and then put Terry's name on the inside. I would actually put Terry's name on the outside.
Sure.
So we're going to write Terry here.
Oh, it's so fine.
Oh, okay. She has a die also that does
It's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh,
It's over
that's
there.
so elegant.
And actually the other word that goes with it is
Thank you.
I have a collection. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very gorgeous.
So let's get your names.
And the center design was made with their new foiling system over there.
And thank you. The center design was made with the Glimmer hot foil system.
Okay.
So I have a book that came out last year on copper plate script. And so it teaches you how to do that.
Wow.
How to make the magic.
No, just give me your hand and your knowledge.
Are you foiling
I
now?
want you to develop it yourself. So, you know, I spent
She
a
just
long
put some
time
foil in
working
there.
on the book. So that
Let's see if I can go around here.
So what is
me.
this?
I want to see if I can get in and see what you're doing here. Are you going to foil something?
I am. So I'm going to go ahead and foil one of Jane's crowns. So I have the foil plate down here, put the foil shiny side down, and I just like to tape my paper at the end here just to keep everything still.
Okay.
And then you're going to use the shim that comes with the machine and the spacer plate.
So the foiling plates are not die cuts?
They do
They're not dies?
cut, no.
Okay.
But you can use your thin wafer metal dies, the etch dies, with this to get the thin pattern, you know, that's, or whatever the cut line is.
Oh, you did my name.
Very pretty.
Oh my god, that's really elegant.
Oh my gosh, that is showing up beautifully. That is so detailed.
And I love this dark on dark.
And there's
there's
the plate right there.
And this one also comes with a die.
You really cannot tell that that's going to come out that fine. May I see the card again?
Absolutely, yeah.
Look at you get the light shining on this for you. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? That is really intricate.
Now you don't want to use your base to cut.
Okay.
So this comes with a die, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my platform.
Yeah.
So some of them have like a set.
Yep, not all of them, but some of them do. And so like this circle set here works with our standard circles. Large.
Okay.
And there's 3 of them that nest together.
And what do you call this, the foiling machine again? Glimmer.
Has made a mistake.
You can even use it as a verb. We're glimmering today.
He got skills.
Please, it's
Actually, I see a crown over here that she's already done on demo.
We're answering questions.
So she foiled it and then she ran it through the die cutting machine.
In the quiet of my studio, I do not make mistakes.
To stamp, we only have black. To write, yeah, the black.
So she's just taping that down so it's not going to move when she runs it through the die cutting. And run it through there.
just running it back just because it's easier.
Yeah, because there's no room, you know, to keep going straight
Yep.
out. And there it is.
Knife from Hong Kong.
I love that. That is so beautiful. Thank you for
Oh,
that.
you're welcome.
It's gorgeous.
That looks like a storage stand I got.
I have.